Oh, is this for a lovely morning? The ferry's just gone across the river there. I've got a coffee. I'm at the Olmara pub. I'm going to have some brunch here, then I'm going to do exploring some rides around Coffs Harbour. I'm going to be staying at Moonee Beach for a week. And so begins Cranky Town 60. Oh, that was a beautiful, better call it lunch really. Bangers and mash and greens. Bloody lovely. That'll keep me going for ages. So anyway, yes, I'm off on a bit of an adventure for my 60th birthday celebrations. Now, apologies to anybody who would have loved to have come. I booked the accommodation for this at least 9 months ago. 6 months ago I was about to just start inviting everybody and anybody, people from all over the world even. I was thinking, you know, Shade Tree Surgeon, Tim Kreitz might even have wanted to come. And I was set to have the biggest 60th birthday party get together ever. And you all know what happened. Some sort of bat virus. So it didn't happen. And it only really got confirmed for me that I could actually come and have my little holiday a few weeks ago, and it was just not enough time then to let so many people know, and it would have been actually unfair to expect them to try and get here on such short notice, especially because as soon as the holiday parks and camping things and all that reopened, they just got booked out really fast. I was lucky enough to already have a booking, so apologies if you would have liked to have come and joined me. There are a few people going to join me because they were in on it from the start and the people I talk to regularly. Anyway, this Land Cruiser's blowing out some horrible diesel, so we'll just go past. Onward and upward. I'm going to head down the highway a bit. I'm going to turn off and take this road that takes me into the inland highway, the Orara Way. Well, I've never done this little road before. It's just a bitumen road, but it looks nice. Then I'm going to go to Glenray and I'm going to check out a proposed dirt route for a ride out with everybody tomorrow. So I'll see you a bit further down the track. You're fucking kidding. Oh dear. It said Congala Road, which is this road, closed for bridge replacement, June till October. So much for that plan. It does sound like a bit of a hold my beer challenge, but no, not really. Oh dear. What shall we do? What shall we do? So is it lost when the road you wanted to go on is closed? So because the first road's closed, I'm going to go along a dirt route, the dirt road over to Glenray, which was going to be the possible famous last words, the easier way if the way I was going to check out was too difficult. So I'll be checking the easy way out first and see what happens after that. So basically down here the Great Dividing Range comes right to the sea at Coffs Harbour, so I'll be going over little parts of that and hopefully getting back again.
In 600 metres, turn right onto Sherwood Creek Road.
Sure will. That's the road I want, Sherwood Creek Road. Well done, Google Maps, you got it right for once.
Continue on Sherwood Creek Road for 27 kilometres.
Well, that sounds simple. Good afternoon, sir. Did he have a rifle? Where am I going? Those old men with rifles. Do 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 do. Now this is looking recently tarred, so this could be not as much of a challenge as I was thinking. We'll see. It's pretty. Oh, here we go. Pea gravel. Thank you, sir. Thank you, mate. So it's a bit of a busy road. Pretty is that? There's a guy panning for gold there. Murphy's Forest Road. There are a million trails in here. I mean, a good place to go exploring a fair bit. Climbed a fair bit. I'm not keen on going too fast with this stuff. It's that really fine gravel. It's actually in great condition, but you can lose traction badly suddenly, as I demonstrated once. I mean, you know, I'm just a chicken really. Also, after half an hour of this I'd probably get warmed up. Maybe 15 minutes, I don't know. Kind of alright. Oh! Glenray 16, fuck. What? Shit! What didn't tell me to do anything, did it?
Sherwood Creek Road for 16 kilometres.
That's what I was hoping for originally. This will be savage if it gets wet, this bit. Jesus. Oh, that was clay, and oh, if that's all there is, that'd be alright. There's a chance of rain tomorrow. If it's raining, I think we'll stick to a road ride. I don't want to bring everything. If people die in something like this when it's wet clay. When you get on these bits, it's alright because it's draining, but those low flat bits are no good. Jesus. Holy shit, that's scary. Fucking hell. I do not like wet clay. This is a shit fight. Whoa! Sorry, mate. Thank you. That was embarrassing, really. Not sure he was all that pleased. I know I'm pathetic, but I'm shit at that. Probably mostly because I'm too scared of it. Like when I was about to, thought I'd had it there, and I just put a tiny bit more throttle, and of course everything was alright. You just stay there, guys, it's alright. Jesus. Well, so far it was that 2 or 3 kilometers of scary shit, and the rest of it's kind of alright, but if it rains at all tomorrow, some of what was kind of alright will be scary shit. I think that trail there was the other holy shit, was the other one I was thinking of going on. Well, I think my reaction to that is I don't want to go there tomorrow, especially if it rains. I might pick an easier road ride to go on with people. We shall see. Depends how many beers I have tonight and what they talk me into. I know a couple of the guys will be keen and some won't at all, but you got to find a sort of happy medium. I had a quick stop at this. It's like a showground, campground type place. And a little man came and told me it's not a public place, but he was alright for me to just have a quick rest. I said, "Oh, look, I'm sorry, just having a quick rest." I thought it was a park. He was cool about it. Anyway, my brother has messaged me that he's in the cabin at Moonee, so I best get down there. Thanks, buddy. So here we are at the destination, Moonee Beach. Time to kick back, have some fun. Been one of my favourite places in the whole world. Here's our cabin. This is the destination, our cabin at Moonee Beach. It's just so beautiful out there, look at that guy. We've got the estuary and the sea. Gorgeous. And of course, one of those.
Next on Captain Cranky,